Hail Joe. Okay, hello DXB99. So I'm gonna try and keep this short and to the point. I should recommend it that we start putting these videos up on YouTube as it's more convenient and logical, obviously, because it's labeled and people can go back to it compared to WhatsApp where you're probably missing it, and if you're not missing it, go back to it or stuff like that is it's not happening. It's not ideal. So I think the YouTube version is ideal, and plus it also has this little feature where you can slow down the video, so you can try and mimic the movements to a T. And also we've realized now that Unreal has a little mod that has these key overlays on my right, as you can see, front, back, left, right, shift, that's the dodge key, space, jump, crouch, control, and primary fire and secondary fire. Won't be showing you using the weapons today, but quite useful in order to mimic create of the video. And also it has a little speedometer at the bottom under those keys. Basically, it tells me the speed that I am moving. So you have to kind of make sure it helps you make sure that you're hitting the keys as fast as possible and you're getting maximum distance. And yeah, that's gonna hopefully help you get better at this game. So first things first, we're gonna show the things that we all figured out this week with the speed run and the double run. A little dumb because we should have known this a while back. So anyway, so the first thing is a normal front end space, which everyone does, the normal wall run. The distance is basically to those armor points. And if you add shift to the equation, which makes it a fast wall run, or a dodge wall run, I don't know what you call it, it gives you a little bit more speed, not to mention distance as well. So the difference between the two, if you see the space, it's a 940 and I'm in front of the ammo packs, and with the shift it's 1500 and I've passed the ammo packs. And the next one is the double wall run, which is gonna start off with the 14 or 15, and then I'm gonna go really past those ammo packs. To get that nailed, you basically have to do the normal wall run. In this case, what I would do is replace the front key, because I think most of you guys would do it with the front key. So while I'm actually running, I'm gonna be replacing the front key with the left key. I'm gonna tell my character basically I'm going towards the left. So you don't have to necessarily look to your right to do that. You can have a little bit of an angle. So basically you're angling your crosshair, your mouse pointer, or whatever you want to call it, towards 1 o'clock. You get a little bit of wiggle room, so I would say it's kind of between 1 and 2, but it needs to be precise to that, in that region, because if it's not, yeah, it's not going to work. Like, I'm going to look straight now and try it, but you see I fall down after the first run attempt. But if I position my mouse a little bit towards that region, try and mimic that if you're trying the same map, and hopefully make things easier. It's not working. It's quite simple once you get the hang of it. You can also, after that, replace the keys. You can use the back, the side, the left, but that's after you get it nailed. For now, just stick to the front. On a curved wall, I don't know if you guys have seen the video that Les had sent. Basically, on a curved wall, you can keep going. I don't know if there's a curved wall here. There's one here, but it's not very. It's not very. So now for the curved wall, let's try to find a nice and pretty curved wall. So the concept is similar, but the difference would be you have to keep repositioning your mouse. So it still uses the 1 o'clock logic. You can do it on both sides. I'm just so used to doing it on the So just start basically on the sides that you're comfortable with, and then you get the logic. You can use any other side. Okay, apart from the straight wall and the curved wall, you can basically also do it on walls that are kind of close in proximity to each other. Not necessarily something like this, but as long as you can get there with the jump, you can still use the double run concept. So in this case, I'll use the same logic that we use in the front run, flat wall double run. I'll replace the front key with the left, and then once I'm on that wall, I'll replace it. I'll double tap the front key. So again, it's all about the mouse positioning.
1 minute remains.
You can also do it with, if you want to hold the front key, you can hold the front key and go all the way, but then double tap sideways. Once you get the hang of it, you can also use back, front, left, right, whatever. It's just a matter of getting used to it. Also, a point that I should mention, compared to the straight flat wall run, we're still going the same direction, so we're still holding the same keys. But in this case, since we're gonna go from this wall to the one there, we're gonna be replacing the keys that we're gonna be holding down. So we start off with the front, but then I'm holding the right side key. And the other one, basically I was tapping and letting go. So that's basically a difference when you're kind of changing direction that you should remember. Hope this helps.